Right now, inside every single cell in your body, your DNA is breaking. Not once, not twice, thousands of times, every single day. The instruction manual that keeps you alive is constantly being torn apart by sunlight, radiation, pollution, chemicals, even the simple act of breathing. By all logic, you shouldn't be alive. So why are you? The answer is one of the most incredible survival stories happening inside you every second. And by the end of this video, you'll never think about your own body the same way again. Imagine building the world's most advanced machine. Every instruction, every wire, every tiny component, written inside one enormous instruction book. Now, imagine someone ripping pages out of that book thousands of times every day. Eventually, the machine would fail. That's exactly what should happen to your body. Inside almost every cell is DNA, a molecule so incredibly complex that if you stretch the DNA from just one cell, it would be about 2 meters long. Now multiply that by roughly 37 trillion cells. That's enough DNA to travel from Earth to the Sun and back hundreds of times. It's the blueprint that tells every cell exactly what to do, how to grow, how to heal, how to function. Without it, life stops. But here's the terrifying part. Your DNA is one of the most fragile things in your body. You probably think danger comes from outside. The sun, X-rays, pollution, smoking. Those certainly damage DNA. Ultraviolet light can fuse DNA together. Radiation can snap it apart. Certain chemicals can permanently change its code. But the biggest threat is actually you. Every time your cells produce energy, they release unstable molecules called free radicals. Think of them as microscopic sparks flying around inside your cells. Those sparks constantly collide with your DNA, breaking it, scratching it, changing it. Scientists estimate that each cell experiences tens of thousands of DNA damage events every single day. Not every year, not every month, every day. And if those breaks were left unrepaired, cells would malfunction, organs would fail, cancer would spread, life would end astonishingly quickly. So, why doesn't it? Because your body has something extraordinary. A microscopic repair crew. The moment DNA breaks, special proteins rush to the damage site within seconds. Some detect the problem, others cut away damaged sections. Others rebuild the missing pieces using the healthy strand as a template. Finally, another protein seals everything back together. It's like watching an elite emergency repair team fixing a collapsing bridge before anyone even notices it was damaged. And they're working right now, inside you, millions of times every second. Most of these repairs happen so quickly you'll never know anything was wrong. It's one of the greatest maintenance systems nature has ever created. But it's not perfect. Sometimes the repair crew makes mistakes. Sometimes damage is simply too severe. Over time, small errors begin to accumulate. One wrong letter in billions. Then another. Then another. Eventually, those tiny mistakes can change how a cell behaves. Instead of dying when it's supposed to, it keeps dividing, ignoring every stop signal. That's how many cancers begin. Not from one dramatic event, but from years of tiny DNA mistakes slowly piling up. Even aging may be partly caused by this relentless battle. Wrinkles, weak muscles, slower healing. They're reminders that your body's repair systems, while incredible, can't win forever. Yet what's truly amazing isn't that they eventually fail. It's that they succeed for decades before they do. So, right now, as you're watching this video, your DNA is breaking. Your cells are scanning every strand. Repair proteins are racing from one emergency to another. Billions of invisible repairs are happening without you feeling a thing. You aren't alive because your DNA never breaks. You're alive because your body has become astonishingly good at fixing it. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought depends on a microscopic repair crew that has been working nonstop since the day you were born. And they'll continue working until they can't anymore. The next time someone says the human body is just a machine, remember this. No machine ever built by humans repairs itself billions of times a day. Yours does, every single second. If this changed how you think about your own body, subscribe for more stories about the incredible science hidden inside everyday life. Because sometimes the most unbelievable mysteries are already happening inside you.